Hi, today I'll be showing you the Kingfisher Bird Embroidery that I did this past weekend. So this is a pattern that I got from a Chinese embroidery book that I got from the bookstore, and I drew the pattern myself and picked the appropriate colors as necessary. I used the book's guidance as a reference, but I didn't have the same exact thread, so I picked and chose which colors I thought would fit and blended them as appropriate. I started off first with the belly of the bird and then started from the head all the way down to the lower feathers and finished it off as such. You can see from the shot that I did the branches and the foot of the bird already. I did this the night before, and that one I didn't record because it was just the same color stitch, just doing normal satin stitches, and no extra blending techniques were done there. When I started doing the head of the bird, I started off with a medium color blue that I had and slowly transitioned to a darker blue. But as I got to the neck of the bird, I wanted to incorporate some green and some lighter blues as well. So I tried to do long and short stitches to give it that blending effect. As I did the feathers, I first outlined it in a lighter blue color before filling it in, and there are mainly 2 to 3 rows of feathers, as you can see. And so the first row I did a little bit darker, and then I moved a little bit lighter so that you could see the contrast between the rows, and continued as such. this is the finished product. I hope you liked it just as much as I did. I love the way it turned out, especially all the blending of the colors, and this was by far one of my favorite projects I've done so far. This took me around 2 days to do after I finished transferring the pattern and picking out all the threads. So if you're interested in doing this piece, I highly recommend. Bye!